राहुल दूध गिरा देगा। राहुल माइट स्पिल द मिल्क। राहुल माइट स्पिल द मिल्क। चाय को गर्म कर दो। हीट अप द टी। हीट अप द टी। दिखावा मत करो। डोंट प्रिटेंड। डोंट प्रिटेंड। बेबी को आग से डराओ। स्केयर द बेबी अवे द फायर। स्केयर द बेबी अवे द फायर। मैं सो नहीं सकता। आई कांट स्लीप। आई कांट स्लीप। मुझे शर्मिंदा मत कीजिए। प्लीज़ डोंट एम्बैरस मी। प्लीज़ डोंट एम्बैरस मी। ये मत करो वरना उसे गुस्सा आ जाएगा। डोंट डू दिस और शी विल गो मैड। डोंट डू दिस और शी विल गो मैड। मैंने आपके बारे में बहुत कुछ सुना है। I have heard a lot about you. I have heard a lot about you. व्यक्तिगत रूप से मुझे लगता है। Personally I think. Personally I think. भगवान जाने वो कहाँ है। God knows where he is. God knows where he is. उससे पूछने का कोई फायदा नहीं है। It's no use asking him. It's no use asking him. वह डरा हुआ है। He is frightened. He is frightened. कपड़े जल जाएंगे। The clothes might burn. The clothes might burn. मैं नहीं खा सकता। I can't eat. I can't eat. तुम छुट्टे रख सकती हो। You can keep the change. You can keep the change. क्या मैंने आपको सही समझा? Do I get your right? Do I get your right? इसे अपनी ही चीजें समझो। It's all yours. It's all yours. मुर्गा बनो। Crouch like a chicken. Crouch like a chicken. अचानक से वो लोग चुप हो गए। Suddenly they went quiet. Suddenly they went quiet. मैंने तुमसे झूठ बोला था। I lied to you. I lied to you. और कुछ? Anything else? Anything else? वो कौन से विषय में कमज़ोर है? Which subject is he weak on? Which subject is he weak on? जैसे आपको पसंद। As you like. As you like. कुत्ते को भगा दो। Shoo the dog. Shoo the dog. हमारे साथ आओ। Come with us. Come with us. अपने सवाल मीटिंग में रखना। Bring your questions up at the meeting. Bring your questions up at the meeting. चलो कुछ नया सीखते हैं। Let's learn something new. Let's learn something new. वह बहरा हो गया। He went deaf. He went deaf. समय क्या हुआ? What time is it? What time is it? मैं हिस्सा लूँगा। I will participate. I will participate. लाओ मैं तुम्हारी पीठ पर साबुन लगा देती हूँ। Let me soap your back. Let me soap your back. अगर तुम ऐसा ही करते रहे तो जेल जाओगे। If you go on like this, you will end up in prison. If you go on like this, you will end up in prison. यदि आप मुझे पूछते हैं, if you ask me, if you ask me, अंधेरा होने लगा, it started going dark, It started going dark. मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है लेकिन मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I can't get to sleep but I am trying. I can't get to sleep but I am trying. मेरे हाथ में झुनझुनी आ गई है. My arm has gone to sleep. My arm has gone to sleep. मैं हार नहीं मानने वाला. I am not going to give up. I am not going to give up. मुझे दोनों पसंद है. I like both. I like both. खाना खराब हो गया है. The food has gone bad. The food has gone bad. क्या आपको पता है कि समय क्या हुआ है? Do you know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? Hey, गेंद पकड़ाओ. Hey, catch the ball. Hey, catch the ball. अपनी बात में वजन रखो. Keep your opinion count. Keep your opinion count. मुझे ईमानदारी से ऐसा लगता है. I honestly believe that. I honestly believe that. कल मेरी ट्रेन छूट गई. Yesterday I missed my train. Yesterday I missed my train. क्या देखें? What to see? What to see? मैं नौकरी ढूंढ रहा हूँ. I am looking for a job. I am looking for a job. वो जानता होगा उसके बारे में. He must know about him. He must know about him. आगे क्या? What next? What next? मैं बस स्टैंड 7 बजे पहुंच गई थी. I got to the bus stand at 7 p.m. I got to the bus stand at 7 p.m. अब क्या? Now what? Now what? मुझे रुचि नहीं है. I'm not interested. I'm not interested. मुझे कुछ करने को दो. Give me something to do. Give me something to do. मेरे पास कोई दूसरा विकल्प नहीं है. I have no other alternative. I have no other alternative. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. वो मुझसे चाय बनवाती है. She makes me prepare tea. She makes me prepare tea. जहाँ तक मेरा संबंध है. As far as I am concerned. As far as I am concerned. खुद पर नियंत्रण रखो. Control yourself. Control yourself. कार किसी पेड़ वेड़ से भिड़ गई. The car hit a tree or something. The car hit a tree or something. ट्रेन 5 मिनट पहले ही निकल गई थी. The train had left 5 minutes before. The train had left 5 minutes before. क्या आप वहाँ हैं? Are you there? Are you there? मैं तुम्हें डराना नहीं चाहती थी. I didn't mean to scare you. I didn't mean to scare you. हे भगवान घड़ी देखो. My goodness, look at the time. My goodness, look at the time. मेरे पति मुझे लेने नहीं आए. My husband didn't come to pick me up. My husband didn't come to pick me up. My husband didn't come to pick me up. जहाँ तक मैं देख सकता हूँ. As far as I can see. As far as I can see. इसका स्वाद कुछ सेब जैसा है. It tastes something like apple. It tastes something like apple. क्या ये अच्छा है? Is it good? Is it good? उसने हम सब के लिए चाय बनाई. She made tea for us all. She made tea for us all. तुम इससे बच नहीं सकते. You can't escape from this. You can't escape from this. आराम से. Take it easy. Take it easy. मुझे आपकी बात अच्छी लगी. I found your point interesting. I found your point interesting. ये मेरी गलती नहीं है. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. मुझे नहीं पता कि वो आया है या नहीं. I don't know whether he has come. I don't know whether he has come. उसने कुछ और कहा. He said something else. He said something else. वो हमेशा मुझे हंसाता है. He always makes me laugh. He always makes me laugh. ये थोड़ा महंगा है. It's a little expensive. It's a little expensive. तुमने मुझे अजीब स्थिति में डाल दिया है. You have put me in a awkward situation. You have put me in a awkward situation. जिस तरह से मैं इसे देखता हूँ. The way I see it. The way I see it. दरवाजे से मत खेलो वरना हाथ आ जाएगा. Don't play with the door or you will crush your hand. Don't play with the door or you will crush your hand. क्या ये तुम्हारा है? Is it yours? Is it yours? सब बिल्कुल सही होगा. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be just fine. वह ईमानदार है. She is honest. She is honest. मुझे आइसक्रीम दिलाओ. Get me ice cream. Get me ice cream. हमने उन लोगों के बारे में लंबी बातचीत की. We had a long talk about them. We had a long talk about them. हम लगभग 4 बजे पहुँचे. We reached at about 4 o'clock. We reached at about 4 o'clock. दबे पाँव चलो. Walk on tiptoe. Walk on tiptoe. ये तौलिया गीला लग रहा है. This towel feels damp. This towel feels damp. मैं बस जा रहा हूँ. I'm just going. I'm just going. तुम घंटों क्यों बैठे रहे? Why did you keep sitting for hours? Why did you keep sitting for hours? क्या कहा तुमने? What did you say? What did you say? उसकी नीयत खराब है. He has bad intentions. He had bad intentions. क्या करें? What to do? What to do? मुझसे फालतू की बातें मत करो. Don't talk nonsense to me. Don't talk nonsense to me. वह इसे अपना कर्तव्य मानता है. He considers it his duty. He considers it his duty. मुझे ये मुश्किल लगता है. I find it difficult. I find it difficult. तुम कितने बजे उठते हो? What time do you get up? What time do you get up? इसकी आदत मत डालो. Don't make a habit of it. Don't make a habit of it. मैं कड़ी मेहनत करने का वादा करती हूँ. I promise to work hard. I promise to work hard. क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? How does it matter? How does it matter? क्या अंधेरा हो रहा है? Is it getting dark? Is it getting dark? इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. बिजली चली गई है. The power has gone off. The power has gone off. ये बहुत ही काम का था. It is very useful. It is very useful. म्यूज़िक तेज़ करो. Turn up the music. Turn up the music. इसे सही करो. Do it right. Do it right. मैं लगभग 6 बजे उठती हूँ. I get up at about 6 o'clock. I get up at about 6 o'clock. तुम्हारी लिखावट कितनी अच्छी है. Your writing so neat. Your writing is so neat. मुझे कोई जानकारी नहीं है. I have no idea. I have no idea. क्या मैं खोल दूँ दरवाज़ा आपके लिए? Shall I open the door for you? Shall I open the door for you? ऐसा ही करते रहो. Keep it up. Keep it up. मैं पूरा दिन बाहर था. I was out all day. I was out all day. मुझे इसमें मत घसीटो. Don't drag me into this. Don't drag me into this. मैं क्या सोच रहा था भूल गया. I forgot my train of thoughts. I forgot my train of thoughts. मेरी कसम खाओ. Swear on me. Swear on me. ये घर हमें 20 लाख रुपए में पड़ गया. This house cost us 20 lakh rupees. This house cost us 20 lakh rupees. आप 10 लड़कियों में से एक अच्छी लड़की हो. You are the one who is good out of 10 girls. You are the one who is good out of 10 girls. क्या मैं आपके बगल में बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit next to you? May I sit next to you? मैं परेशानी में हूँ. I am in trouble. I am in trouble. सारे अंडे खराब हो गए. All the eggs went bad. All the eggs went bad. थोड़ा सा भी नहीं. Not a bit. Not a bit. जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. Whatever happens is for the best. Whatever happens is for the best. इसे उसे दो. Give it to her. Give it to her. मेरा साथ दो. Stand by me. Stand by me. यहाँ रुको. Stay here. Stay here. शायद मैं कुछ ज़्यादा मांग रहा हूँ. Perhaps I am asking too much. Perhaps I am asking too much. तुम होते कौन हो? Who the hell are you? Who the hell are you? इसे दिल पर मत लो. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. इस साल तुम्हारा काम शानदार रहा. Your work this year has been stellar. Your work this year has been stellar. अब हम क्या करें? What shall we do now? What shall we do now? धीमे बोलो प्लीज़. Keep it down please. Keep it down please. चादर बिछा दो. Spread the bed sheet. Spread the bed sheet. मुद्दे पर आओ. Come to the point. Come to the point. आज क्लास में क्या सिखाया गया? What have been taught in the class today? What have been taught in the class today? क्या आप सिर्फ 1 मिनट के लिए मेरी जगह देख सकते हैं? Could you keep my place for just a minute? Could you keep my place for just a minute? दवा की दुकान कहाँ है? Where's the pharmacy? Where's the pharmacy? मैं जो कहता हूँ वो करो. Do what I say. Do what I say. वो काफ़ी दूर है, चलो बस कर लेते हैं. That's too far, let's ride the bus. That's too far, let's ride the bus. आँख मत मारो. Don't wink. Don't wink. आप किताब ले सकते हो. You may take the book. You may take the book. बारिश शुरू हो गई. Rain has started. Rain has started. अपनी आवाज़ नीची रखो. Keep your voice down. Keep your voice down. मुझे अभी जाना है. I have to go now. I have to go now. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. क्या म्यूज़िक की क्लास हुई आज? Do you have music class today? Do you have music class today? क्या तुम जाने के लिए तैयार हो? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? मोमबत्ती बुझा दो. Blow the candle. Blow the candle. ध्यान में रखना कि आपको खुद से करना है. Keep in mind that you have to help yourself. Keep in mind that you have to help yourself. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. मुझे देखने दो. Let me see. Let me see. उसके हाथ पैर लंबे लंबे हैं. She has long arms and legs. She has long arms and legs. क्या मैं आपसे बात कर सकती हूँ? May I talk to you? May I talk to you? मैं चाहती हूँ कि तुम चुप रहो. I need you to keep quiet. I need you to keep quiet. अपना अच्छे से ध्यान रखना. Take good care of yourself. Take good care of yourself. वह अक्सर झूठ बोलता है. He often lies. He often lies. एक हाथ दो, दूसरे हाथ लो. You scratch my back and I will scratch yours. You scratch my back and I will scratch yours. क्योंकि सभी सो रहे हैं. Because everybody is asleep. Because everybody is asleep. हमारी बोलचाल बंद है. We are not on talking terms. We are not on talking terms. एक दिन उसे एहसास होगा. She will realize one day. She will realize one day. मुझे लगा आप नाराज हो मुझसे. I thought you were angry with me. I thought you were angry with me. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. I agree with you. I agree with you. इसका स्वाद काफ़ी अच्छा है. It tastes pretty good. It tastes pretty good. उसे साफ साफ मना कर दो. Give him a flat refusal. Give him a flat refusal. मुझे आदेश देने का तुम्हें कोई अधिकार नहीं है. You have no right to order me. You have no right to order me. जिसके दिल पर बीतती है सिर्फ वही जानता है. Only they can realize who have suffered. Only they can realize who have suffered. उसकी तरफ देखो. Look at him. Look at him. उसने फ़ोन रख दिया. She hang up the phone. She hang up the phone. मेरी और मेरे भाई की नहीं बनती. My brother and I don't get along. My brother and I don't get along. बाइक चलाओ. Ride the bike. Ride the bike. कोशिश करते रहो. Keep trying. Keep trying. मुझे एक मौका दो. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. अगर डर लग रहा है तो मेरा हाथ पकड़ लो. Hold my hand if you are afraid. Hold my hand if you are afraid. मेरा दम घुट रहा है. I am feeling suffocated. I am feeling suffocated. ये कब हुआ? When did this happen? When did this happen? उसने मेरा दिल दुखाया है. He has hurt me. He has hurt me. अपनी ज़िंदगी बर्बाद मत करो. Don't spoil your life. Don't spoil your life. तुम ये कब से कर रहे हो? Since when have you been doing this? Since when have you been doing this? मुझे चोट लग गई है. I have got hurt. I have got hurt. मैं आपके आगे हाथ जोड़ता हूँ. I beg you. I beg you. मैं तुम्हारे नखरों से तंग आ गया हूँ. I am fed up with your tantrums. I am fed up with your tantrums. छत टपक रही है. The roof is leaking. The roof is leaking. तुम ज़िद्दी हो. You are stubborn. You are stubborn.